Good evening and welcome to we welcome people from everywhere across the globe. This is the time for one of the biggest festivals of India. This is the time of the world wherever people are, whichever part of the world, whichever country you belong to. Is not only a religious festival, it's a festival of art and it's the festival of culture. So we are going to showcase some of the beautiful Durga Puja pandals of Kolkata. In COVID-19 scenario, everybody is stuck at our homes, but we in Impact, Sharad Anando, we in ANM News, we have tried to bring forward the color, the charisma, the beauty, and the fantastic artwork that the artisans in across India has gathered together, bit their pieces together to form this Durga Puja pandals, the temporary pandals in Kolkata. People, I have joined, and we are very lucky to be joined from people from across the world. First, let me take this opportunity to welcome our next door neighbor, Mr. Ajay Chaurasia from Nepal. He is a very senior Nepali Congress politician. Welcome to ANM News and welcome to Impact Sharad Anando, Mr. Ajay Chaurasia. I also take this opportunity to welcome Mr. Katangule Singh. He is from Uganda. He is a member of parliament from far away Uganda. And we take this opportunity to welcome our first African MP. He is of Indian diaspora, and Indians all over the world are doing great, just like the way we want to showcase the major beautiful pandals to you. Welcome to ANM News and welcome to Impact Sharad Anando, Mr. Singh. If you can hear me, Mr. Singh, welcome to our show. Next, we go across to our neighboring Bangladesh. We have a member of parliament from Awami League, a very senior politician of Bangladesh. He's the chairman of the parliament committee, which is responsible March to Bengal. Let's all welcome Mr. Dhirendranath Sambhu, Member of Parliament from Bangladesh. We also have one of India's best dancers, a very well-known personality, somebody whom we know for a very long time, somebody who has been associated with us for a very long time. Let's take this opportunity to welcome Sanchita Bhattacharya. Welcome to ANM News. Welcome to Sanchita Bhattacharya in a very different environment this year. She has been with us for every year, and every year the situation has been different. Mr. Singh, if you can hear me, welcome to ANM and welcome to Impact Sharad Anando. This is a program with a difference here today that are going to showcase some of the beautiful work of art and to you very else. So first, we have 6 puja committees here today, right at this moment. We have Bagajatin Turun Sangha represented by Sujit Chandra. We have Samaj Sevi Sangha represented by Mr. Maitro. We have Bospukur Talbagan represented by Shubhen Bose. We have 41 Palli Puja Committee, and we have Ahiritola Sarvajanik. First, let me go across to Shubhendu Ghosh. Shubhendu Ghosh has been standing by us for a long time. Shubhendu is going to speak in Bengali. So what way we are going to take it forward? We'll showcase this Puja Pandal. Shubhendu is going to take you around the Pandal. He is to say literally and in all of for the best and very well-known Puja Pandal. And they have won several prizes in the past. He is going to showcase the work of art.
Hello.
I will explain the thing in English to all of you and Hindi to all of you. I prefer Shubhendu speaking in Hindi. So Shubhendu, তুমি আমার কথা শুনতে পাচ্ছ? শুভেন্দু শুনতে পাচ্ছ? শুভেন্দু তুমি আমার কথা শুনতে পাচ্ছ?
হ্যালো
শুভেন্দু শুনতে পাচ্ছ আমার কথা?
হ্যালো
শুভেন্দু তুমি আমার কথা শুনতে পাচ্ছ? Shubhendu, I will come to Shubhendu later on. Then go across to Arijit Maitra of Samaj Sevi. Mr. Maitra, can you hear me? Mr. Maitra, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Yeah, Mr. Mitra, if you can just open us to have the all the people watching you at the moment, or maybe you can run us through your pandal at the moment. Kamalpuri is in South Kolkata. In India, it's in southern part of Kolkata. It's a very, very old builder, and they are very famous for organizing the pandals. But if you see the pandals are all Mr. Mitra, if you can run your pandal and explain it to us.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Can you
Yeah,
see
we
the
can hear you.
pandal now?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we can carry on.
Okay. Actually, this is our 75th year puja. Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you. We can hear you. Carry on.
Yeah. Actually, we have to cut down our budget because this is a COVID situation all over the world, and in India also it's very bad situation. But still, since we are praying for betterment of our area and our West Bengal and India, we are going for a Durga Puja, which is we have cutted out 75% budget, and we are doing the puja on 25% budget as per last year. But
Yes.
we have taken an oath. We are adopting 75 families of Madhavkati, Sardarpara, Hingolganj area of Sundarbans. We shall be there with support them with a livelihood. So we have cut down our budget to support them throughout the year. And you can see the pandal is more or less like the Sundarban area where our concept is Setu and it's the bridge. And the bridge is from Baliganj to Hingalganj. Where you see that symbolic Setu is in and we have carried out this work very first from month of May, June, July, and still we are carrying on this. We have made some miniature projects, student station,
Mr. Mitra, if you can hear me, Abhijit Babu, if you can hear me, Mr. Mitra, if you can hear me, you are in a selfie mode now. If you can just turn the camera so that let us see the pandal in your structure. This is towards pandal structure.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
That is better. Yes, 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 yes.
So you can see the miniature form of Baliganj station and Fili Ghat, that vessel ghat which we have to cross to go to Madhavkati. And we have created this Durga also. It is a Bonbibi Mandir at Madhavkati. You can see the background is like village cottage where Ma Durga has been worshipped, and we have placed this monkey vans, yeah, as a decoration part. You can see because this monkey vans are like lifeline of their livelihood. But when this flood came in, everything were haywire, and when we went there, May month, their livelihood was gone, their home, their life, everything was gone. So we then decided that we have to be beside them, and since our name is our identity, the entire year round we stand beside the marginalized service of humanity. So, witnessing the impoverished condition of these villagers, we undertook this resolution, and we have dedicated this our puja to 75 families of orphan-affected families, and we will carry on this thing throughout the year. And this is the you can see a pachali. This is the pachali that this is the background music which normally used to pray to God when the cyclone comes in. And this is the rest shelter. We have built a rest shelter, a symbolic rest shelter, where when the flood comes in, so they are taken to this kind of higher rest shelters. So we have created a total Sundarban area. You can see the setu here. This is a symbolic setu which we are building out. Reaching to so these are total motto this year to help them and bring back the livelihood.
So, Mr. Mitra, if I can ask you, if you can just take a little closer to the Durga Pratima, the idol of the idol, Durga idol. You can tell me what is the concept of this idol?
This is Durga. You can see
What is this idol called, Mr. Mitra?
this is Ma Durga. When we come to city, we see kind of a marble temple, but here we have put a backdrop of you can see a village backdrop beside behind Ma Durga. This is a fusion of village image and our local. You can see the floor where you can see the marbles placed normally in Kalighat and everywhere we used to see this type of plaques, memory of the deceased. And here there is a fusion between the village mandir and our city mandir.
What is the material used for the bridge structure that you made? What is the material that you used for the bridge
Materials
structure?
are all, you can see that our concept is setu, and the materials are all salkuthi and bamboos and wooden planks, which we normally show the authenticity of that area. Because normally what we see is in a setu, this kind of shalbolli, shalkuthi, we have to make it a strong setu with this kind of material. So we have used this shalkuthi and wooden plank only.
Okay, Mr. Singh or Mr. Chaurase, you have any questions? Chaurase जी आपको अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा इसलिए any questions पूछना चाहिए ऐसा हो या आप
पूरी दुनिया में पश्चिम बंगाल का जो दुर्गा पूजा होता है सबसे फेमस है और प्रख्यात है। नेपाल, बांग्लादेश, भूटान, जहाँ हिंदू लोग रहते हैं दुनिया में, वहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा दुर्गा पूजा जो है पश्चिम बंगाल में होती है। और पश्चिम बंगाल का दुर्गा पूजा देखने बहुत दूर दूर से लोग आते हैं। मुझे लगता है कि सभी जगहों में जहाँ जहाँ आप दिखा रहे हैं, जगह का नाम तो नहीं हो रहा है मालूम, लेकिन हर जगह जो है सजावट बहुत अच्छा हुआ है और बहुत क्रिएटिव है। और इस समय जो वैश्विक महामारी है कोविड-19, कोरोना के समय में सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग और सेफ्टी के लिए सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करना सबसे अनिवार्य है और हर आदमी को मास्क लगा के निकलना चाहिए। सजावट जो है बहुत ही उम्दा है, बहुत ही अच्छा है।
हम अगला में जाएंगे।
अरे देखो 4 फुट खुले करते
आपको सुनाई दे रहा है
কিছু করার নেই।
Thank you, sir.
41 Palli, can you hear me? Whoever is 41 Palli, can you hear me? Okay. So 41 Palli is another very old part of Kolkata. I asked the 41 Palli club member
Couldn't get you, sir?
Yes, carry on from 41 Palli.
Yeah, so this year it's our 63rd year of celebration, and as you know that we are in a pandemic situation right now, so we have lost colors from our lives. And our artist has showed us the to find color in our lives. Like sun. Sun is the main source of color. That's why this year our theme is Be Born. It's a pseudonym, which means we are searching for color and we are urging Durga Ma to give color to our lives. As you can see, this is a person whose life is colorless and is searching for color. And we are asking Durga Ma to give color to our lives, and like flowers.
What is this scenario? If you can explain to us from Patiwatpalli, what is this? What are the materials that you have used?
The materials are very eco-friendly, like foam and bamboo and some pipes.
Okay. And what is the concept of this Durga Pratima? That is
Durga Pratima is in Lakshmi Roop. Alright. That's why she doesn't have any weapons.
okay.
Once again, please. Durga Pratima is in
Lakshmi Roop.
Once again.
Lakshmi Roop.
Lakshmi Roop. Durga Pratima is in Lakshmi Roop. Okay. And what are the materials that you have used to in this pandal?
It's mainly of foam and bamboo.
Mainly of foam and bamboo.
Yeah.
How long has it been taken for you to build this pandal?
40 days, sir.
40 days. আমাদের সঙ্গে জুড়ে গেছেন মিস্টার জগন্নাথ সরকার, মেম্বার অফ পার্লামেন্ট। জগন্নাথ বাবু নমস্কার। আমাদের কাছে আশা করি কলকাতার বিভিন্ন পূজা কমিটির এখানে আছেন, তাদের সাথে নেপাল থেকে মিস্টার অজয় চৌরাসিয়া, সঞ্চিতা ভট্টাচার্য, বাংলাদেশ থেকে মিস্টার ধীরেন্দ্রনাথ শম্ভু, এবং আপনারা এখন দেখছেন কলকাতার পুজো। এটা যে উপরে যেটা বানানো হয়েছে, এটা কি দিয়ে বানানো হয়েছে?
এটা ফোম দিয়ে স্যার, এটা ফোম এন্ড প্লাইউড।
Foam and plywood দিয়ে?
Yeah.
Okay, this is made of foam and plywood, whatever you're saying right now at the top.
Yeah. And in the middle there is a glass panel which reflects that there is a infinite view of color as we are searching for color.
Okay.
So the gate, I could see some red, meshy structure. What did you? What did you mean?
Didn't get you, ma'am.
The entry.
Yes, entrance.
The red meshy structure. What did you mean? The red meshy structure that we saw when you entered.
This one.
Okay, this is the entry. Okay. That's fine.
Yeah.
What? That's the sun, you said?
Yeah, that's the sun. Because sun is the source of color.
Okay.
And light.
And vitamin D3.
Yeah.
Which is so important in this COVID situation.
Yeah, absolutely, ma'am. As you can see, we are maintaining social distance. Physical distance now. Can I place this?
यहाँ मत खड़ा रहो, बाहर में जाओ। अभी कोई काम नहीं है, बाहर में जाओ। ये लाइटिंग मत करिए, ध्यान लग जाए।
Anjali, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay. So, Anjali, next, so we are through with the first one, Palvi Club. Next, we go to our next pandal, that is Suvendu Pandal, Bospukur, Silsila Mundir, Bospukur Talbagan, sorry. Suvendu, can you hear me? Suvendu, can you hear me? With Shivendu's audio, we will go over to Ahiritola Sarvajanin. Ahiritola Sarvajanin Club, if you can just explain your this thing to you. Ahiritola Sarvajanin, can you hear me?
उमेश,
Ahiritola Sarvajanin, can you hear me?
गाना बंद कर देगा।
Ahiritola Sarvajanin, can you hear me?
बंद कर दो।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you just run us through your pandal, please?
Hello.
I can hear you. শুনতে পাচ্ছি, আইরিটোলা সার্বজনীন শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
Hello. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just a minute, sir.
Sure.
off. बोले बंद कर दे।
Yes, sir. Can you see this?
Yeah, carry on.
Okay, sir. So, at first, I want to. There is a problem in connection of electricity. Now our panel is a bit incomplete. So, there is a problem. So there is no light inside the
Just
panel.
explain the concept, please carry on.
It looks good this way, doesn't
Doesn't matter if you can just explain the concept, no problem.
Okay, sir. So at first, I want to give you a heartiest wishes from Ahiritola Sarvajanin Durgotsav Samiti. And this year, our theme is Devir Aloy. That means the house of goddess Devi Durga. So, and this year, our pandal is basically a replica of the Sun Temple of Gujarat. That is from Madhera Sun Temple from Gujarat, which is basically the house of sun. So, and we all know that in this COVID situation, there is a hazardous situation for every people. So we want to overcome this hazardous situation of normal people and everybody. We want to keep our goddess Devi Durga within the Sun Temple. So by the blessings of Devi Durga, we can overcome the situation.
Okay. So
There basically, sir, there is a problem, technical problem, as our pandal is not completely ready. So there is no light within the pandal just right now.
It's okay.
So
it's okay, but we can see the pandal. We can see the Ahiritola Sarvajanin, no problem.
So what is
Okay,
the
okay.
material? Is it
yes. The basic material is basically wooden structure, and above the wooden structure there is plywood, and the finish by POP, plaster of Paris. Okay, so this is our
Would you?
জগন্নাথ বাবু আপনার একটু আনমিউট করতে হবে, আপনার মাইক্রোফোনটা মিউট হয়ে আছে। হ্যাঁ, আইরিটোলা সার্বজনীন যেটা তুমি দেখাচ্ছ এই মুহূর্তে, যে মূর্তিগুলো দেখাচ্ছ, এটা কিসের তৈরি আর এর পিছনের কারণটা কি?
Okay. Murti, the basically this statue is made by the Devi goddess. Devi is made by basically purely soil structure. Okay, and the pattern is taken from the Gujarat, from the basic culture of Gujarat. The statue, the statue present in Gujarat. So we copied this pattern.
Gujarat.
So this is a something of a replica from Gujarat, is it? That's what you say.
Yes. And one more thing I want to show you, sir. Basically, the structure is incomplete, but I want to show you that this year, can you see the portal framed like structure
Yes.
at the entrance of our pandal? So this structure is basically another structure from Gujarat. This is named by Kirti Toron. Kirti Toron basically basically a Gujarat structure which is made by some king after getting victory. So here we made this structure here because we wish or we hope that after this puja, after this big goddess Devi Durga, by the blessings of goddess Devi Durga, we can also get victory above coronavirus or COVID-19.
Oh, fantastic. That's very good. That's very good. That's fantastic. How long has it been taken? How long did it take for you to complete the structure? কত সময় লেগেছে এটা করতে?
Yes, sir. There is nearly 2 months, sir.
2 months. আর এই করোনার মধ্যে has it taken all kind of safety protocol? Of course, today High Court has issued a different order. Otherwise, has it taken all kind of protocol?
Obhijita, that's what I wanted to see. ওই যে তোরণ বানিয়েছে, from there to Durga, it will show how much is the distance they have kept.
আর কতটা ডিসটেন্স রাখা আছে প্যান্ডেলের ভিতরে?
Sorry, yes, sir. Basically, there is a noise, so I can hear the question. Yes, sir. Now I can explain. Every year, sir, there is a. You can see this structure also here. For every year, this was for previous years. This was our entrance gate, and right now, where I am standing in the passage, the visitors was approached from this passage and exit in this way. Okay, but this year, taking the COVID situation in our mind, we arranged that for visitors, for normal people, they will cross in front of our pandal. Okay, so that's why we make this front entrance so big, because so we can see the goddess Devi Durga from external side also. Just a minute, sir. I want to show you that. This is the overall pandal from the eyes of a visitor, and the distance is more than 10 meters, sir. From the goddess Devi Durga, the distance is more than 10 meters.
মানে দেবী মানে মন্দিরের মধ্যে ওখান থেকে 10 মিটারের বেশি এবং যথেষ্ট জায়গা রেখে সুন্দরভাবে তোমার একটা চেষ্টা করা হয়েছে।
Obhijita, is this over and above the passages they have, or just here this is the view?
পুরো quite a distance এখানে ডায়েরিতলা জেনারেলি ডিসটেন্স একটু বেশি থাকে, ওরা অনেকটা ডিসটেন্স রেখে যে মেইনটেইন লট অফ।
Yes, sir. I can show you that. You can see there is for now there is a temporary barricade structure we made, and we will make it permanent when our pandal will completely ready. You can see, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
ডায়েরিতলা সার্বজনীন thanks a lot. We will shift over to now বাঘাযতীন তরুণ সংঘ, share বাঘাযতীন তরুণ সংঘ।
বন্ধ করো।
Yes, sir. I hear you.
তরুণ সংঘ I ask to show our guest, আমাদের দেখা সুদীপ, তুমি আমাদের পুরো প্যান্ডেলটা ঘুরিয়ে একবার দেখিয়ে নাও। বাঘাযতীন তরুণ সংঘ বহু পুরনো এবং they have also won Impact Saradhananda Award, and they are rated as one of the best puja committee, one of the best, very innovative in Kolkata. In this part of the world. Sudip Chandra is a very senior member of Bhagavatin Soul. So, to run us through, please.
Thank you so much for your kind introduction. Good evening to all the honored judges. And we are moving on. We are showing you the path which will lead us to the pandal. This is the path. Hope you can hear me.
Yes.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, this is the path which is leading us to the pandal. This year our theme is Mayer Achole. That means when a child gets rebuked or gets scolded by the family members, that child definitely goes over to the mother to find the
वही तो
shelter.
चला था
And for that we have invited, we have done like that only. Now in this COVID situation, we are in such a position. You can also see the sanitized gate, right? This is the sanitizing gate which leads to the pandal. And we are right now in this COVID situation, we are afraid. So we are going over to our mother. We are entering the pandal
लाइट पूरा ठीक
and
भरा ना
asking her to save us from this awful situation. You can see these all are made of saris which are coming from top and it's on the floor. So it's a way of, I hope the camera is okay.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay.
Okay, this is the entry from where we came in, and these are all with saris which comes down.
सब अंदर सारे रहे ना
Hello.
This is the pandal, the entrance of the pandal.
तो सो खराब हो गया
This is the, and now I am slowly entering the
अच्छा
pandal.
ये दिखाई दे रहा
This is the pandal. You
This is the inside of the
can see,
pandal.
and over here the name Ma. Yeah, I am entering the pandal. Ma is there. It's over there.
এটা কি প্যান্ডেলের ভেতরে? সুদীপ, এটা কি প্যান্ডেলের
এটা
ভেতরে?
প্যান্ডেলের ভিতরে ঢুকলাম। হ্যাঁ, প্যান্ডেলের ভিতরে ঢুকলাম।
हाँ? हाँ, সুদীপ, what exactly is this? এইটা কি আছে এই জায়গাটা?
हाँ
এই জায়গাটা কি সুদীপ? সুদীপ, if you can hear me, what is this place? এই জায়গাটা কি আছে?
I'm not getting it. আরেকবার বলো।
এই জায়গাটা কি? যেখান দিয়ে আমরা দেখছি এই জায়গাটা কি আছে? What is this place?
This is the layout of the saris and all, because we are asking Ma Durga to come over in this pandemic situation to save us from this awful COVID situation. Mayer Achole means when a child gets rebuked or gets scolded, he goes over to the mother, because as I said, Ma saves them. So that's the thing here. We are also inviting Ma Durga to come over and save us. This is the back side of the pandal, which you can see. They are all staying over there. And there are two exit gates. There are two exit gates, one this side on left and on the right hand side another one. And this is the pandal.
Sudeep, can you please show us how people are going to view? Where
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
positioning?
বলছে
Positioning
কোথা
to
দিয়ে
মানুষ
ঢুকছে আর কোথা দিয়ে বেরোবে, তুমি যদি can you show us which is the entrance and the
Oh,
exit?
acha. Let me go over to the place from where we are going to enter.
जो पूछेगा उससे चलिए क्या हो रहा है
This is the place from where we are entering the pandal. The pandal is already there. And this is the place from where we are entering the pandal. Okay, this is the layout of the saris. Achole, that means Achole. Ma Durga has laid down the sari to cover us up, and all the saris are here, which shows that irrespective of caste, creed, color and religion, we are requesting Ma Durga to save us from this awful situation. This is the entry point. Just outside, this is the entry point. Can you hear me, ma'am? Ma'am, can you hear me?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, শুনতে পাচ্ছি। তারপর এইটা
This is the entry point.
প্যান্ডেলের ভেতরটা তো তাহলে বিশাল বড় প্যান্ডেল, তুমি যেটা বলছো এটা
No,
বিরাট
not
বড়।
Vishal Boro Pandal. it's done by Rintu that it's not that Vishal Boro Pandal because we have cut down lot of budget. We are a huge budget puja, but this time we have done within 12 lakhs. So that's the thing we have done out here. And I'm going towards Ma Durga idol. This is the on one side it's an exit gate. This one is the exit gate. Also another side there is another exit gate.
And now show us Ma Durga.
এবার মা দুর্গা মূর্তিটা দেখো, এবার মা দুর্গা মূর্তি
হ্যাঁ রাইট, আমি দেখাচ্ছি।
বাঁশ দিয়ে তৈরি প্যান্ডেল স্ট্রাকচার কি বাঁশ?
Entering close by to this is the total situation.
এটা কি মা দুর্গার ওখানটা?
হ্যাঁ মা দুর্গা ওখানটা, এটা হচ্ছে মা দুর্গা।
আচ্ছা, তুমি এক চালটা ঠাকুর করেছো?
হ্যাঁ, কারণ আমরা তো শিওর ছিলাম না whether what is the final outcome, সেই জন্য সেখানে আমরা স্টিক করে পরে 1 মান্থের মধ্যে we have done the entire pandal.
আচ্ছা, কতক্ষণ লেগেছে, কতদিন লেগেছে পুরো প্যান্ডেলটা তোমাদের তৈরি করতে?
1 month.
আচ্ছা,
1 month. And we have done that with day night this thing for the last 15-10 days.
Material কি ব্যাম্বু আর রুলি শাড়ি তো?
ব্যাম্বু, straw,
শাড়িটা রুলি,
খড় দিয়ে straw, মাটি এগুলো দিয়ে।
আর শাড়িটা রুলি তো ঠাকুরের
straw আর মাটি এসব নিয়ে করে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ,
ঠিক আছে সুদীপ, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।
নাইস প্যান্ডেল, নাইস
আচ্ছা,
নাইস প্যান্ডেল।
very nice.
From here you can see this is the original view of the pandal. Standing in front of Ma Durga, I am showing you the pandal what Ma Durga is seeing from here.
Okay,
Very good, excellent. Sudeep, thank you very much for a wonderful presentation. Very good pandal, you have really shown it very nicely.
Thank you.
Thank
you so much, man.
ভালো করে প্যান্ডেল বানিয়েছো।
Thank you.
শুভেন্দু পুষ্পপুর তালবাগানের শুভেন্দু আছে আমাদের সাথে। শুভেন্দু, তালবাগান এমন একটা ক্লাব, দিস ইজ ওয়ান কাইন্ড অফ আ ক্লাব যেটা সত্যি অনেক বছর ধরে, বছরের পর বছর এবং কলকাতার পুজো, বোসপুকুরের পুজো, এইভাবে একটা সময় জানা যেত। তালবাগানের বহু পুরনো সদস্য, তালবাগানের সত্যি শুভেন্দু বোস। শুভেন্দু, আমাদের দেখাও পুরো তোমার আগের প্যান্ডেলটা দেখাও আমাদের।
দেখা যাচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ দেখা যাচ্ছে, শোনা যাচ্ছে।
হ্যাঁ, এই
হ্যাঁ শুভেন্দু,
হ্যাঁ
দেখাও, হ্যাঁ চলো।
হ্যাঁ, এই হচ্ছে আমাদের এই করোনা পরিস্থিতিতে আমরা মানুষ গডের কাছে প্রে করছি, মা দুর্গার কাছে প্রে করছি, যেরকম আমরা বিপত্তারিণী মায়ের কাছে যেরকম আমরা লাল সুতো দিয়ে যেরকম মন্দিরে ঢিল বেঁধে যেরকম প্রে করি, আমরা এবারে আমরা সেইভাবেই এই লাল সুতো দিয়ে বিভিন্ন ইট বেঁধে মানুষের জন্য, ডাক্তারদের জন্য, স্বাস্থ্যকর্মীদের জন্য, এবং যাতে সবাই ভালো থাকে সেই জন্যই আমরা মায়ের কাছে প্রে করছি। তাই এইটা শক্তিপীঠ হিসেবে আমরা দেখাচ্ছি, এবং এই পুরো প্যান্ডেলটাই শুধুমাত্র তৈরি হয়েছে বাঁশ এবং লাল কাপড় দিয়ে, এবং আমরা মাত্র 15 দিন এই প্যান্ডেলটা বানিয়েছি। এবং যা দেখছেন এই আমাদের ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড মিউজিকটা, সেটাও আমরা শুনছি। হ্যাঁ, পুরো বাঁশ এবং কাপড় দিয়ে তৈরি। এই আমাদের এই পুরো আমরা এইগুলো এই যা দেখছেন সবই লাল কাপড় দিয়ে তৈরি, এবং দড়ির আকারে এগুলো করা হয়েছে। এবং ঢিল বাঁধা।
একদম
ঢিল বেঁধে।
আচ্ছা শুভেন্দু, তুমি যদি এখন মূর্তি বাঁধ নিয়ে যাও আমাদেরকে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, এই আমরা মা দুর্গার মন্দিরে চলে এসেছি। এই আমরা মা দুর্গার মূর্তি।
শুভেন্দু, এই মূর্তির বিশেষত্বটা কি? এই মা
হ্যাঁ, এই মা দুর্গার বিশেষত্ব হচ্ছে যে আমরা যে বিপত্তারিণী মায়ের মা দুর্গার পুজো করছি এবং সমস্ত মানব জাতির কল্যাণে যাতে আমরা কোভিড থেকে মুক্ত পেতে পারি সেইটাই আমরা মা দুর্গার কাছে প্রার্থনা করছি। এই সমস্ত ঈদের মাধ্যমে আমরা প্রার্থনা করছি।
বাহ, শুভেন্দু অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। খুব সুন্দর হয়েছে
সুন্দর হয়েছে।
একদিক থেকে, এবং বানানো হয়েছে খুব সুন্দর।
মাত্র 15 দিনে আমরা এটা পুরোটাই বানিয়েছি।
আচ্ছা, কত সময় লেগেছে শুভেন্দু এটা বানাতে?
15 দিন, মাত্র 15 দিন, অনলি 15 days।
15 days, only 15 days লেগেছে বানাতে শুভেন্দুকে। সত্যি খুব প্রশংসনীয় ব্যাপার। এবং
পুরোটা ওপেন এবং সরকারি বিধিনিষেধ মেনে আমরা পুরো করেছি। আমাদের ওপর পুরো স্কাই ওপেন টু স্কাই, এবং দেখছেন যে পুরোটাই খোলামেলা জায়গা এবং পুরো আমাদের এই ঢোকার এবং বেরোনোর রাস্তা পুরো পরিষ্কার। এবং আমরা এই সিচুয়েশনে যে আমরা যে ওই একটা সেফ ডিস্টেন্স মেনটেন করার জন্য সেগুলো আমরা প্রিকশন নিয়েছি সমস্ত কিছু।
খুব সুন্দর হয়েছে শুভেন্দু, ভেরি গুড। মানে যেটা দেখালে তুমি আমাদেরকে, যেভাবে তুমি দেখালে পুরো ওপেন রেখে, যেটা কোভিড পরিস্থিতিতে যতটা প্রিকশন নেওয়া সম্ভব সমস্ত রকম রেখে পুরো খোলামেলা রেখে করেছো। শুভেন্দু, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। আমাদের দর্শক দেশি বিদেশি সকলকে ধন্যবাদ। থ্যাংক ইউ
সবাইকে নমস্কার। বসপুকুর তালবাগানের পক্ষ থেকে সবাইকে নমস্কার।
নেক্সট আমরা চলে যাবো মানিকতলা চালতাবাগান। আয়ুষ জয়সওয়াল, মানিকতলা চালতাবাগান। आयुष सुनाई दे रहा है? आप सुन पा रहे हो?
हाँ बोलছি বলুন।
आयुष जी, आप मणिकतला चालताबागान सभापति बहुत पुराने बंगाल के कोलकाता के, बहुत बार ये हमारे
আপনি বাংলাতেই কথা বলুন।
कई सारे लोग देख रहे हैं आपको। आप थोड़ा आपका पूजा के बारे में थोड़ा सा किस तरह से विस्तार से एक्सप्लेन करें।
হ্যালো
আয়ুষ জি, আপনি একটু আপনার পুজোটা দেখান এবং এটা কি কনসেপ্টে সেটা একটু ইয়ে করেন। আয়ুষ জি শুনতে পাচ্ছেন? আয়ুষজির ভিডিও আমাদের সামনে এই মুহূর্তে চলে গেছে। আমরা চলে যাব নেক্সট পল্লব চক্রবর্তী থেকে আসছে। পল্লব বাবু, হ্যাঁ, this is from which club?
Hello, actually we are Paschim Putiari Polli Unnayan Samiti.
Okay, Haridev Polli Unnayan Samiti, Haridevpur. Okay, yes. Can you just show us? Because is also a very old puja, অনেক দিন পুরনো পুজো এখানকার পশ্চিম বাংলা এবং ভারতবর্ষ কলকাতা।
Right. Yeah, actually it's a big ground. As you know, today a heavy rain was occurred. That's why some muds in our ground right now. So this is a big ground. and this is the main entry point. So we are just going to enter our pandal. This is the place. Please. Yeah. Yeah, we are entering our main pandal. Hello. Can you hear me?
We can see him. দেখতে
হ্যাঁ আমরা
পাচ্ছি,
দেখতে
বলুন।
পাচ্ছি, শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
This year our theme is we are also the victim. Shikar ebar amrao. We are also the victim. Our artist Swarnabho actually wants to say that due to the development, the advancement of civilization, actually we are destroying our own mankind. So this is the theme, and as you see a big mural where he wants to display that in left side the beginning of a era, and the right side the destruction, and the deer here symbolize that due to its horn, actually it trapped itself in the destruction. And entire the pandal, as you see, the a building is developing. That's what Swarnabho, the artist, wants to show, that this development is going on, but equally simultaneously the destruction is also happening. As you see, the wall is decorated with the hair, and it was and it's strangled with the chain. The development, as we see, equally increasing the molestation, the exploitation of women. That's why Swarnabho thinks that development actually making us very poor. This is the pandal, and we are moving towards the main idol. Yeah. Yes. This is our idol. It's a traditional idol, and you see the roof. There are a lot of arrows. What Swarnabho thinks, that we are almost hunting ourselves, almost done. If we still not aware of the fact, we will destruct ourselves in a very short while. That is the main theme of our this year's puja, that Shikar ebar tumio, you are also the victim of development. Thank you, sir.
একটু পল্লব, খুব ভালো বলেছো। তুমি যদি একটা পুরো ওয়াইড অ্যাঙ্গেলে পুরো তোমার পুজোটা দেখাও, আমরা একটা সাইড থেকে সুন্দর দেখলাম, খুব বড়, খুব ভালো লাগলো। একটু ওয়াইড অ্যাঙ্গেলে তুমি যদি দেখাও, তাহলে আমরা সবাই ভালো করে দেখতে পাবো।
এন্ট্রেন্স থেকে
স্যার, ওয়াইড অ্যাঙ্গেল কি?
এন্ট্রেন্স থেকে দুর্গা মা কিরকম দেখতে পাওয়া যাচ্ছে?
অ্যাকচুয়ালি এন্ট্রেন্স থেকে আমাদের যে গাইডলাইন আছে, এন্ট্রেন্স থেকে আমরা যদি কেউ বাইরে থেকে, ইনফ্যাক্ট রাস্তা থেকে যদি কেউ আমাদের দুর্গা মাকে দেখতে চায়, তাহলে তিনি দেখতে পাবেন এখানে একটি বড় হোল রয়েছে, যেটা ইন্ট্রোস্পেকশন হিসেবে রাখা হয়েছে, যে if somebody wants to see the idol from the roadside, তাহলে he or she can see the idol from here. Can you see the idol?
হ্যাঁ
just bit hazy, but it's a very articulated round, so that people can see the idol from the roadside.
কতদিন লেগেছে পল্লব ওখানে তোমাদের তৈরি করতে এটা?
Yeah, just 15 to 20 days. As you know, this is a pandemic situation. We are in zitted whether we would be able to produce a Durga Puja as we did every year, but thankfully we have managed to do this within 30 days. Yeah, approximately 30 days.
এক মাসে হয়েছে। কালারফুল,
right.
কালারফুল লাগছে, ভেরি ভেরি কালারফুল পুজো তোমাদের।
And it's a very low budget pujo, sir. It's a very low budget pujo.
What is the budget?
Yeah, 2.2 lakhs approximately.
বাহ,
That's really
2.2 lakhs এর মধ্যে এটা নামি করে দিয়েছো।
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely. Our artist Swarnavo is a 19-year-old. Is a young chap, and it is his first job, and it's and he has tried his level best, and we are very happy to have with him.
বাহ, ও বয়স কত বললে? What is his age?
19 years. 19 years.
Oh, you've got a 19-year-old artist developing all this.
This right, sir. Right, sir.
Oh,
He is actually, sir, with me. If you wish, I can I can give him the liners also.
Yeah, let me see his face. Let him come in front of the camera.
Just Swarnavo, sir, we are first of all, sir, we are very much happy that you have selected us for your prestigious competition. So it's a real honor to us, and we hope safe Durga Puja to everyone.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you.
Swarnavo, please come here. Please start. Right. Please start. Quick. একটু ক্যামেরাটা ঘুরিয়ে দে, ক্যামেরাটা ওর দিকে অন্ধকার। Right.
Oh, he is the artist. Well done.
very, very nice thought.
19-year-old artist. তাই তো সম্ভব?
হ্যাঁ।
বাহ, ভেরি গুড। কনসেপ্টটা খুব ভালো হয়েছে এবং এত কমের মধ্যে এত লো বাজেটে করাটা সত্যি খুব প্রশংসনীয়। ভেরি ওয়েল ডান, ভেরি গুড, ভেরি এক্সিলেন্টলি ডান।
Thank you.
Very good. So we will now move over. Thank you very much, Pallav, for your wonderful thing, and Swarnavo, very well done for a note this thing. So we'll now move over to once again to Maniktala, Chaltabagan, Noapatti Puja. Maniktala, Chaltabagan Puja is one of the famous puja. Once again, we have been rejoined by them. Can you hear me? Maniktala, Chaltabagan, Noapatti, can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So if you can just show us your pandal now.
Yes, sure. I'm just showing you this is the entrance of the pandal.
Okay.
Where I have made means it's been आपका जैसे आपका बना हुआ এটা अपना হোগলা পাতা আর বাঁশ দিয়ে এটা তৈরি হয়েছে।
জি
আপনি দেখতে পাচ্ছেন।
किससे बना हुआ है ये?
बांस और हुबला पाता दादा।
ओके। और अच्छा, कितना समय लगा इसको बनाने में?
এটা আপনার হচ্ছে আমাদের খুঁটি পুজো ছিল 28 সেপ্টেম্বর দাদা।
তাহলে এক মাসের মধ্যে বানানো হয়ে গেছে।
হ্যাঁ দাদা।
আর এটা মানে এক চালতার ঠাকুর হয়েছে?
হ্যাঁ, এক চালা পুরো ঠাকুর আছে এই মধ্যেই।
আচ্ছা, এবং পুরো খোলামেলা পরিবেশ?
পুরো খোলামেলা পরিবেশ আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। আমাদের এই মধ্যে কোনো লোকজন আসা যাওয়া করবেন না, ওনারা শুধু আপনার যখন গাড়ি থেকে যখন উনি পাস করবেন ওনারা শুধু দেখে এখান থেকে পাস করতে পারবেন।
আচ্ছা।
আর আমাদের যেমনি আপনি বলতে পারেন আমাদের যেমনি সেফটি মেজার্স নিয়ে আবার সব জিনিস নিয়ে ওই হিসাবে আমাদের হয়েছে। আপনাকে আমি শো করে দিচ্ছি, যেমনি আপনি দেখতে পারবেন কি আমার ওইখানে কোভিড নিয়ে কি আমরা করেছি। আপনাকে আমি ওইটাও একবার দেখিয়ে দিব কোভিড মেজার্সটা। এখান থেকে আমাদের পুরো এন্ট্রেন্স আছে।
এটা কি জিনিস, এই জায়গাটা কি?
কোভিড মিন্স আপনার প্রথম আপনি যদি আপনার প্যান্ডেলের মধ্যে যখন ঢুকছেন প্রথম আমার এইখান থেকেই আপনার চালু হবে উইথাউট নো মাস্ক নো এন্ট্রি। পরে আমরা আসছি আপনার থার্মাল চেকের মধ্যে। থার্মাল চেক আপনি এইখান থেকে প্রথম করে তবে আপনার বেরোবে। যেমনি আমি করলাম, আমার টেম্পারেচার এসে এলো 96.8। এখান থেকে আপনার করে আবার আপনি হাত ধুয়ে এখান থেকে বেরোতে পারেন, যেমনি আমার পুরো এখানে করা আছে।
ফিউমিগেশনের ব্যবস্থা করেছেন নাকি?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাডাম।
ফিউমিগেশন করছেন নাকি?
পুরো পুরো ওই জায়গাটাই করানো।
পুরো আমার এইখানে করা আছে, আবার আমার এখানে পুরো স্যানিটাইজারের প্যানেলটা আছে, যেমনি আপনি দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আমার এখানে অলরেডি আছেন উনি। প্রথম আমাকে পুরো স্যানিটাইজ দিবেন, হাতটা পুরো স্যানিটাইজ করে তবে আমরা এখান থেকে বেরোবো। আর আপনি দেখতে পাচ্ছেন এখানে আমাদের গ্লাভসও আছে, যেটা মিনস ওল্ড এজের আছে, মোটামুটি আপনার 65-60+ আছে, ওনাদেরকে আমরা প্রোভাইড করছি। প্রথম গ্লাভসটা পরে সব নিয়ে প্রিকশন নিয়ে তবে আপনারা এগোতে। আবার আপনি দেখতে পাচ্ছেন এখানে আমার কাছে মাস্কও আছে, মাস্ক যেটা আপনার মুখের মধ্যে মাস্ক নেই, আমরা ওনাদেরকে প্রথম প্রোভাইড করে তবে আমরা ঢুকতে দিচ্ছি। আবার এখানে পুরো আমাদের সার্কেল করা হচ্ছে, আমরা পুরো কোভিড মেজার নিয়ে পুরো দেখতে পাচ্ছি কি এমনিতেই কোভিড অনেক বাড়ছে আমাদের ক্যালকাটাতে, ও হিসাবে আমাদের পুরো এখানে সার্কেল করা হচ্ছে কি 1 মিটারে পুরো আপনার নিশ্চিন্ত হয়ে আগে যেতে পারেন।
বাহ, ভেরি গুড, ভেরি गुड, एक्सीलेंट, खूब ভালো, মানে দারুণ, एक्सीलेंट। कोविड मेजर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बहुत बढ़िया किया है आपने। जिस तरह से कोविड के लिए दुर्गा पूजा के समय में बहुत भीड़ होता है, तो आपने जिस तरह से कोविड के मेजर्स लिए हैं काफी सराहनीय है। और इस तरह की सिचुएशन पर आगे बढ़ने की, इसमें सचमुच दुर्गा पूजा के अवसर पर आपके शुभकामनाएं। बहुत बढ़िया, छोटे में ही बहुत बढ़िया बनाया है आपने पूरा पंडाल को। असंख्य धन्यवाद, वेरी वेरी थैंक यू वेरी मच। So we will now move over to Haridevpur Adarsh Samiti. Next puja Haridevpur Adarsh Samiti. If you are there, Haridevpur Adarsh Samiti কেউ আছেন? Pujya Babu is Haridevpur Adarsh Samiti is also a very old puja committee, and of course they have also won now prizes before. So apna jodi dekhiye then, if you can just run us through your pandal now.
Good evening, sir. We are into the 52nd year of Haridevpur Adarsh Samiti, and we are starting it right at the entrance. You can see the street here. My name is Rakesh. I am the representative of the club on behalf. I'm going to explain and show you, but if you give me a few...
Rakesh, you can just shift the camera because it is got on a slant mode.
Are you able to see, sir?
Landscape mode. We need to see in landscape.
You can put it into landscape mode, Rakesh.
Landscape mode.
Yeah, that's okay. This is fine. This is again. No, that's not okay.
No. Okay. If this is okay, then I think we should continue on this.
Yeah.
So now from here, I am giving you a panoramic view of the entire area. It is in an open space that we have created our structure, and we have tried to. This is the main entrance, sir. Okay, you can see the person is trying to open it from here, and slowly we are entering into. Okay, I will show you about all the safety protocols that we have installed. You can see this automatic sensor sanitizing equipment is also installed. Here there is a person, security, using the thermal gun in order to check the temperature. As we enter, I will just give you the initial theme in one line in Bengali. That is Sobujayaner Moddhe Sobujer Dharaye Mayer Agomon. This is what it is. That we are trying to welcome Ma Durga in the midst of greenery. You know, that is the whole idea. So if you can see the entire structure and the courtyard area where our main pandal and the mandap is, we have kind of surrounded it, and we have given as much as possible the message, the social message that we are trying to portray through this is greenery, preservation, protection, and we are trying to make it as sustainable as possible. This is the structure. You can see it in the center. Sir, am I audible and visible to you? Just want to check.
Absolutely audible, but your camera is put in the landscape mode. Yeah, this is perfect. That is perfect.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine. So if you can see this, if it is visible, that the Mother Nature, we are trying to portray and give complete sense of protection to the greenery, so that the mother nature and the earth, she is preserved, because she has gone through immense pressure, right from corona to the disbalance in the environment, and followed by Amphan. And there were a lot of trees, as you must be knowing it very well, more than 5,000 according to the official estimates, that the trees were damaged in Kolkata. So the whole idea is to bring the sensitization and awareness amongst the people of the community in the city, so that it gives them, you can see, as I am showing you, this is the pathway that we have created, and you can see underneath is the greenery again, all the plants. And these drawings which are there, it is reflecting nothing but Mother Nature, you know, the greenery. And this has been used with khar and jute and all these lead-free paints from Berger Paints. And everything that is there, you can see. If you have any questions, you will ask me definitely. But let me give you a first-hand view of the things, how it's made, not by some professional, you know, expensive artists. It's all 15-year-old children from the locality. We have used all the local talents, and all these drawings and everything that you see, it is the contribution and the effort by the children of our area and our community. And they are the ones, those who have made it look like the way it is, the one that we are presenting it to you. Now, slowly I'm entering into the mandap area. Sir, I'm interrupting you once more by asking that, am I audible and visible to you?
Absolutely, absolutely. You're fine.
Okay,
You're
sir.
fine.
Okay. And the way I'm explaining, I think it's clear.
Yes.
My voice, my tone, everything.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now, this is the area where we are in the mandap. Sir, I would like to take just 15 seconds of your additional attention uninterrupted, so that, you know, I can explain you that welcoming Ma in the midst of greenery, keeping the theme in the central point. You see the entire Bedi, which consists of all the traditionals, Ma Durga, Lokhi, Saraswati, Kartik, Ganesh, Osur, Singho, and so on. But there is one character here. This is not Osur. You see, the Osur is over here, along with the Singho and Ma Durga, and all her associated, the entire family is here. This is one character which we have additionally incorporated, and he is a guy who you can call like a woodcutter. I don't know the right term in Bengali, but he is somebody. You can see there is an axe in his hand, and his main purpose is to destroy the greenery. As a result, he can destroy the earth and the ecological balance that Mother Nature has. And he is obstructed by Ma Durga, goddess herself, so that this guy is not allowed to fulfill his evil intentions. You see, it's a very humble one. It has taken just about 1.5 to 2 months for us to create this whole structure. Our budget is a very modest one, about 2.5 lakhs rupees. It was very difficult for us even to, you know, look for funds and manage ourselves in these difficult times. But even then, we tried to manage. And this is I am trying to again give you a kind of a panoramic view of the area. This is inside the pandal. You can call it kind of the whole premise area which is covered. At the moment,
So
we have stopped.
you have made the entire structure a beautiful green structure from where Ma Durga is one corner, and a very low budget in the pandemic situation. You have tried to create a Go Green initiative, so that you have looked into the environment and hoped that Ma Durga ushers in peace, tranquility, and
Sir,
all around.
sir,
Going for Go Green environment friendly exercise, isn't it?
Yes, sir. So this was our side of the presentation that we tried to give it to you. But apart from this, sir, if there is any additional questions or queries you have, I shall be very, very happy to answer you. Even if it is an embarrassing and a difficult one, I would not mind. But if you have some questions, please feel free to ask. That would give me an additional opportunity to explain a little bit more, sir.
No,
You are
absolutely.
satisfied.
No, thank you, Ujjwal. And what really struck me most was the 15-year-old local boys and girls who painted all
Yes.
those. It was a wonderful
Yes, sir.
thing
It
to
we
know
we we we, we
about it.
never we never took the help of professional and expensive
Absolutely.
karigars and shilpis and so on.
That is what really stuck out among all the pujas that we have seen. That is something that really stuck out.
Right,
to me.
right. Even
but-
even the people, even the local people, those who came for inauguration, all these so-called 15-year-old young talents of the locality, they were the one who kind of welcomed the guests, and they were the one we wanted the guests to award these people, the local talents. And these greeneries, the plants that you see, sir, into the courtyard area, these plants, after the puja is over, the culmination of the festival, we will hand these over to the local residents, so that these people, maybe they will not be in a position to buy or invest money and get expensive plants. But if we give it to them, it will give them a habit of kind of, getting into this plantation, and they would have some kind of greenery and would kind of make this
Absolutely.
atmosphere little bit more sustainable, sir.
Great. So it's a complete greenery initiative. I really want to thank you for this. You've done a great job in doing a good green initiative, not only in
Yes.
your Pandal, but also in and down the locality. Thank you very much for your wonderful presentation. And
Thank you, sir.
all the best to your club. And
Thank you.
Move forward to it. So we move
Yes.
on to the next and last Pandal. We have Rajdanga.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Wishing you a happy puja in advance. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
We
you.
love the concept, especially
We love the
openness.
concept. There's a very good
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Hope we'll see again each other in the second round, sir. Hoping, keeping our fingers crossed. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Wishing you a nice evening. Thank you.
Rajdanga Navodaya Sangha, if you're there, Rajdanga Navodaya Sangha.
আমরা কেটে দিই
Yes. We are there.
Rajdanga Navodaya Sangha is another major club in Kolkata, one of the very, very old and very prominent Durga Puja committee in Kolkata. So I love Rajdanga Navodaya Sangha. We've been winners last year to run us through their concept of the Puja Pandal.
Okay. Hey, just to ensure that we are visible and our sound is okay.
Yeah, sound is okay.
So
we are
let
visible.
me
No
first-
problem. Carry on.
Okay, so we are actually, I will slowly go through the roadway, the pathway, and then we will enter the pandal. And as
You
I
have to
go,
put
I
it in a
will
landscape
explain.
mode. You have to put it in a landscape mode. Your visuals have got tilted.
Okay, is it fine?
And now it's fine. Now
Is
it's
this
fine.
fine?
Now it's fine. Absolutely fine.
Okay, great. Yeah, this is okay, right?
Yes, we can see.
Okay, great. So let me start. So this is the pathway. This is the pathway. The way we would enter. As I go through, I would explain what is the rationale behind the artistic work that has gone inside. So we had three pathways. We had three pathways. You can see there is a pathway on the right, there's a pathway in the middle, and there's a pathway on the left. So these three pathways are really a part of our Hindu mythology, which talks about the left pathway talks about our past, the right pathway talks about our future, while the middle pathway talks about our present. But however, as we enter, all these pathways leads to one common thing, which is the present. So whatever you see, I just tilting the camera a little bit to show the top part of the thing. So this is like what we call is Singha Darwaja, or the gateway of wisdom, the gateway of wisdom. So as of now, I'm entering slowly towards our pandal or the creation. So this is the home, or this is the abode of Devi Durga or Goddess Durga. And as we go, just a small thing, this is one of the installations where we are ensuring sanitization. This is only one of, there are hundreds of other installations like this. And as we enter, you see there are a lot of sculptures and lot of pillars. Overall, there are around 108 pillars based on which this entire pandal has been built, and you can see these are the windows, and this pathway is around 16 feet wide. So this is the major pathway, and as you enter, so these are the small pillars and the big pillars, all combined is around 108. And as we enter, this is the area where we can go left and where we can go right. And I'll just go to the left ones. So there is the doors and windows, which is nothing but, as I said, this is a abode of Devi Durga. So it is his home, it is her home, it is her house. And if you see on the top, there are lotus petals. The lotus petals actually are a part of all the hallways, both right and left. Again, there are 108 lotus petals. This 108 is a very symbolic number of Hindu mythology. And now I'm going to slowly enter and move towards our main area of the area of worship. So as I go there, you can see there are a lot of small sculptures again. The sculpture again, 108 sculptures are there all across. Okay, if you see, these are the various sculptures that are there over the courtyard. This is the courtyard, and the middle section of the courtyard is for the various small programs that is getting done or that would be done for the puja or for offering to Devi Durga. And then we slowly go near the main deity. So this is our traditional deity. We are following a traditional plan, and this is our traditional deity. And as we go up and reach the main podium, actually I have stepped also 108 steps. So that was the concept, bringing in Hindi mythology, the 108 concept, as well as the past, present and future concept. So overall, that is in short what we wanted to bring in culture as well as artistic things in our overall thing.
Absolutely. It's
Any
a
questions?
beautifully drawn up, well done structure. I just have one question. How long did it take to do this?
This is around almost like 2 months. 2 months is what we took to build this. There are some repetitions of sculptures that we had to do because of this less time that we had, and also, one of the key things that we also wanted to say that this puja is not about enjoyment. This is a puja where we need to actually help people who are dying due to the Amphan thing, people who are surviving, or people who are actually facing the challenge of the world due to Corona and others. So 50% of our budget has gone there. So yes, to answer your questions, it's around 2 months worth of effort. Based on that, this pandal has come up, and 50% of our donations have been gone through various organizations as well as various people who are getting affected or infected due to the coronaviruses.
Very good, very, very excellent. The entire structure was very well done, beautifully done.
Very aesthetic. Aesthetically pleasing.
Aesthetically very nice, absolutely.
Appealing.
So I'm very, very wide and good.
I just wanted to know, what is the material? Is it all wood, or the sculptures are mud also?
No, there is fiber, there is plaster of Paris and wood combination, and we do have iron structures also. So pillars. These pillars are actually lot of wood, lot of stone, lot of iron is there, as well as plaster, fiber is there.
This is fiber.
The small ones.
This is fiber.
This is fiber and iron also inside. Fiber and iron combined.
Okay.
Again, these are all hand built. It's not like these are all hand built. The doors that you see are all fiber, created through fibers, and the windows and the glasses are actual glasses.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for this wonderful presentation. You've done a great job there, Rajdanga Navodaya Sangho. Literally lived up to your expectations. You're so hugely built over the years. We move to the last one, Bospukur Shitala Mandir. Again, a very, very old puja in Kolkata. Bospukur Shitala Mandir, if you can hear me. Now, this is the first time a lady is going to run us through puja committee. That's very good. I must welcome you here. What's your name, young girl?
Thank you so much.
What's your
Thank
name?
you so much. Is there? Can you hear us, sir?
Yeah. What's your
Yes,
name?
very much.
Sir, my name is Shravani Ghosh.
Shravani,
I will be.
relax, Shravani. So take us through your pandal, because yours is a very old and traditional puja committee in Kolkata, and you are, of course, last but not the least in our list. So just take us through your pandal.
Yes, definitely, sir. I'll do that. So
Shani, can you put on your video, please? Shani. We have just, I think she has somehow or the other lost connection, but hopefully she's going to come back. Yes, Shani, are you there? Yeah. If you can continue, Shani.
yes, sir. Actually, I'm not able to. Yes, sir.
Continue. Shani, what is this structure made of?
Sir, we have chosen Kathir Batam. Like, actually, our theme is this for this year is frame. The name that we have given to our theme is frame. So, as we all know that for constructing pandals, we use Kathir Batam. Sir, I'll just take you through inside and then explain you while going. Sir, we have actually barricaded this area because of the government regulations. So, I'll take you through the inside and I'll explain you the theme this year. So, sir, yes. So, sir, Kathir Batam, as we all know, all puja pandals are made. But usually we use a cloth material on top of that, and the frame that is behind the cloth never gets focus. So, সেই কাঠের বাটামকে এখন ফোকাসে রেখে we have constructed our pandal. As you can see, all of this that is here is made of Kathir Batam. And as you know, in the Amphan, a lot of trees were destroyed this year. They were uprooted. So we tried to help the people who, who had these trees in their houses, and we've picked up the trees from there, and then we have used the cart from there and made the Batam here. These can be reused again. So this is our theme this year. And there's another connotation to our theme, which we are saying as frame. So this year, specifically because of the COVID situation, we're seeing that a lot of people are, are stuck in their houses. They're not being able to go outside anywhere. So it's like, it seems as if তারা ফ্রেমে বন্দি। তো সেই ফ্রেমে বন্দি যে ব্যাপারটা, সেটাকে নিয়েই আমরা আমাদের এখানে তুলে ধরেছি। এবং you will see that here above Ma Durga, we have demonstrated several frames here. So Ma Durga মানে তো উমা আসছে, তো একটা আগমন, একটা খুশি। তো we have a lot of নিয়ম right now, অনেক নিয়ম থাকছে এখন। তো এই নিয়মের মধ্যেও আমরা বিভিন্ন নিজেদের খুশি বেছে নিয়েছি নিয়মের মধ্যেও। তো এই নিয়মগুলোকে মাথায় রেখে যাতে আমরা এই বছর পুজোটা কাটাতে পারি, ফ্রেমের নিয়মে যাতে বেঁধে থেকে আমরা পুজোটা কাটাতে পারি, সেই বার্তাই আমরা এই বছর দিচ্ছি দর্শনার্থীকে। And so that is our theme, that is our pandal. So this is the exit.
Absolutely, পুরো সুন্দরভাবে জিনিসটা অনেক বড় এবং ফ্যান্টাস্টিক স্ট্রাকচার বানিয়েছে, দেখতে খুব সুন্দর লাগছে ক্যামেরার মধ্যে, এবং বাইরে থেকেও খুব সুন্দরভাবে ভিজিবল। জায়গাটা, ছোট্ট জায়গাটায় খুব সুন্দরভাবে ব্যবহারও করা হয়েছে দেখে মনে হয়।
Yes, sir. So I'll get back to the entrance of the pandal again. Yes, sir. Is there any question that you would like to ask?
No. You have perfectly explained the entire scenario. We are completely in sync with what you have told us, and I will tell you that it was very well. You have demonstrated it very well. You explained the scenario very well. You explained your pandal very well, and you've done a very good job with considering the prime constraint that you had in constructing the entire. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for this wonderful.
Also, they picked up
presentation
the
that you
wood.
explained.
Also, they picked up the wood from the Amphan victim's house, which is a very
Yes,
good thing.
yes. That is a huge plus for the
Yes.
Pandal, definitely. Thank you very much for this for the wonderful presentation. So thanks a lot.
Thank
So,
you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So we have come to the end of initial round in the first half, where we had seen 10 pandals. I'll just take a quick view from both of you at the moment. अजय जी, आपने देखा पूरा बंगाल का पूजा, छोटे शब्द में आपको कैसा लगा?
सभी पंडाल जो है, मैं पहला बार जो है पश्चिम बंगाल का दुर्गा पूजा आपके टीवी के माध्यम से मैं देख रहा हूँ, इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद है। और एक चीज मैंने महसूस किया कि बंगाली और नेपाली भाषा में बहुत सिमिलर है वर्ड सब, और बहुत ही उम्दा, सभी के सभी पंडाल जो हैं बहुत ही उम्दा और क्रिएटिव ढंग से बनाए गए हैं। लेकिन फिर भी मैं आपसे ये कहना चाहूँगा कि जो गुजराती पैटर्न पर बनाया गया था पंडाल और माँ दुर्गा का जो स्वरूप बनाया गया था वो बहुत ही उम्दा था। और दूसरे नंबर पर मेरे ख्याल से ग्रीनरी बैलेंस, नेचर बैलेंस और इकोलॉजिकली बैलेंस के हिसाब से जो पंडाल बनाया गया था वो सस्ता भी था, और वहाँ के लोकल लोगों को प्रयोग करके बनाया गया था, वो भी बहुत अच्छा था। और आज आपके चैनल के माध्यम से मैं सभी लोगों को विश करना चाहता हूँ, शुभकामना देना चाहता हूँ कि माँ दुर्गा जो है सभी लोगों का कल्याण करे, और जो वैश्विक महामारी सारी दुनिया में अभी बहुत तेजी से फैल रही है उसका नियंत्रण हो, और सभी पंडालों में खास करके आपको आदर्श समिति के द्वारा जो पंडाल बनाया गया था वहाँ कोविड के लिए बहुत ही सैनिटाइजेशन का अच्छा व्यवस्था किया गया था। सब के सब पंडाल अच्छे हैं, गुजराती पैटर्न वाला पंडाल हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा।
धन्यवाद। आपको भी दुर्गा पूजा की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं अजय जी। तो आप
धन्यवाद।
संचिता जी से अंत में एक छोटी सी আমি চাইবো সঞ্চিতা জি তুমিও একটা ছোট আমাদের জন্য তোমার কি মনে হলো একটা বলো।
Like every year, this year also, all the puja pandals have done so well. Before that, my namaskar to all the other members in the judgment panel present from all over the world. Myself, Sanchita Bhattacharya, I am a classical Indian dancer performing in other India as well as other countries. So, Obhijita, all the pujas, am I audible?
Audible. Yeah, audible.
Yeah. All the pujas were excellent. The ones which I liked, in case of considering every aspect, what he said, Ajay ji said, I am very much with it. That Ahiritola, which is the Ahiritola, the openness, you don't have to do anything, you can just see the goddess. So today's requirement, Obhijita, when we started long time back, the requirements for safety were different. Today the requirement of safety is different. We did not ask about fire safety, this safety, that safety, no, because we don't want many people to gather there. So Ahiritola, they were aesthetically beautiful, and their openness, the people can just see, they don't have to get down, they don't have to stop, they don't have to. That concept was wonderful, that I liked very much, Dada. Also, I liked the one Lal Kachilo, Boshpukur, they kept everything open. The openness I like, the color concept is beautiful, the way they used it, and they just used kapod and Mahashati Chuna. The openness I love, Dada, and their idol. And greenery one I liked as a concept. But if you have to talk about neatness of the finish, the neatness of the whole pandal, the way it comes out to you, that's right. Aesthetically Rajnagar.
Thank you very much, Sanchita Bhattacharya. Thank you very much, Ajay जी आपको नमस्कार, संचिता जी आपका तो
सभी को दुर्गा पूजा की शुभकामना।
आपको भी अजय जी, आपको भी और all the members of Impact को भी।
Everybody else, thank you very much, Mr. Katengule Singh and Mr. Dhirendranath Sambhu, and people from rest of the world who have all joined us to see the Kolkata Durga Puja. And we, with a promise, we thank all our audience that we will be back with more of Durga Puja, more pandals of Durga Puja tomorrow and on later days as the Durga Puja goes on. We will showcase the beauty and the wonderful structure of Kolkata's artists. Thank you very much, and you keep watching ANN.